Here's the vocabulary that we're going to be using for Chapter 1. Okay, this means hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Now, what I want to talk about as we're doing this is this right here is what is considered informal. That is informal, where if you have these, they're a little more formal. Next, we have adios, which means goodbye. See you. See you later. This is also considered see you later. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Okay? This one is greetings too. And this is goodbye. Now, when you're talking about these are a little more on the formal side, where adios and ciao, especially ciao, are on the more informal side. Now, before I do these, I want to say right here, this are more of informal, where this is more formal. And que pasa, I guess que pasa also would be more on the informal side. Okay, this is how are you? But this is one that you would be speaking to somebody formally, like speaking to your teacher. This, on the other hand, is also how are you, but you are speaking to your friends. Now, this next one is what's new. So you don't really say that when you're speaking formally. Okay, this one is what's happening. Or what's going on. Now, que tal is very informal. How are you? It's very informal. It means how are you or how's it going? Now, normally when we say this, we actually put estoy, that's an S, in front of each one of these. Okay, muy means very, bien means well, and gracias means thank you. Nothing. Not very well. And this would be okay, regular, so-so. Okay? Now, some of you may have learned mal for bad. When we use mal, that is when things are really bad, where no muy bien is like, oh, I'm just not feeling it today kind of thing. Okay, When you're talking about expressions of courtesy, con permiso, it means with permission, is what it really means. But it means excuse me. In the Spanish-speaking world, anytime that you're going to run into somebody, you get close to somebody, you say con permiso. You walk in while somebody's eating food, you say con permiso. De nada means of nothing, but we use it as you are welcome. Lo siento. I am sorry. Okay, muchas means a lot or much. Thanks. Now, what's funny is no hay de qué. This can also mean thanks a lot, if you want to write it that way. And a lot is 2 words, boys and girls. Okay? No hay de qué. This K should have an accent mark on it. And that means you're welcome also. Perdón either means pardon me. So if you've run into somebody, you say pardon me or perdón. It also means excuse me. Con permiso is usually something that's happening before you actually do something, where perdón is afterwards. Por favor means please. Okay. Titles. Mr. Okay. This means Mrs. And this means Miss. Now, if you notice, we have don and, this should have an ñ on it. Don and doña, this is used with first names. It's for an older person that you have a lot of respect for. Señor and señora you use with last names. Okay, these. What is your name? Or what do you call yourself? These two are exactly the same. What's the difference? This is informal and this is formal. I am, and you would say your name. Oops. This means and you. This also means and you. But again, this one is formal. This one is informal. Okay. Mucho gusto. Pleased to meet you. El gusto es mío. The pleasure is mine. Encantado means delighted. It can also mean pleased to meet you. Igualmente. Likewise, or igual means equal, and mente is li, so equally. This is. Okay, this would be the masculine form. This right here would be the feminine form. Este es or esta es. If you're talking about something masculine, you would use este. If you're speaking of something feminine, you would use esta. Okay, le presento. I would like. To introduce you to, and then you put somebody's name. Now, both of these mean exactly the same thing. And again, this is the informal, and this is the formal. This means the name. Okay, ¿de dónde es usted? Where are you from? Again, same thing means there. This right here is the formal. This right here is the informal. I am from. How much or how many? Whose? And this is singular. This also means whose, but this is plural. Okay, this word I right here. I by itself means there is or there are. If you have the no attached to it, there isn't or there aren't. Bienvenido, welcome. El portero is the doorman, like Diego, and this means listen. Oye, listen. Okay, the capital of Argentina. Buenos, that's an S, by the way. Buenos Aires. Bolivia. La Paz or Sucre. Canada. Actually, I forgot the capital of Canada. Is it I don't know it off the top of my head. Chile is Santiago. Colombia. Bogotá. Costa Rica, San Jose. Cuba, La Habana. Ecuador, Quito. El Salvador, San Salvador. España, Madrid. Los Estados Unidos, Washington, D.C. Guatemala, Guatemala. Honduras, Tegucigalpa. México, la ciudad de Mexico. Nicaragua, Managua. Panama, Panama. Paraguay, Asunción. Perú, Lima. Puerto Rico, San Juan. La República Dominicana, I don't know why there's not a law in front of it. Santo Domingo. Uruguay, that sounded funny. Montevideo. Venezuela, Caracas. Oh, and then we forgot Guinea Ecuatorial and Malabo. Ser means to be. Is, am, are. El autobús, the bus. The capital, the boy, the girl, the computer, the community, the driver, masculine and feminine, the conversation, the thing, the notebook, the day, the diary or journal, the dictionary, the school, the student, masculine and feminine, the photo, the man, the young person, the pencil, the lesson, the suitcase, the hand, the map, the woman, the nationality. Trying to spell it in Spanish instead of English. The number. The country. And when you make país plural, that accent mark doesn't go away. The word, the passenger, the problem, the tourist, the video. The days of the week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. What day is today? Today is, oops, I didn't mean to make that. Tomorrow. Mañana can be tomorrow, or it can mean morning. You have to be careful of what you're saying. The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? It is 1. It is 1, and then you would have minutes after it. And those minutes would be between 1 minute and 29 minutes. It is, and this is going to be 12 between 31 minutes and 59 minutes. It is, and these are the hours between 2 and 12. Okay? It is, and this is between 2 and 12, and these would be the minutes. Between 1 minute, oops, I meant to put it on that side, and 29 minutes. Actually, nope. And this is, it is between 1 es la una and minus minutes, and this is 31 minutes to 59 minutes. Okay, this is 15 minutes. It means a quarter. This is 30 minutes, or this is a half. This is asking the question, at what time? So when you answer this, you have to say at blank time. On the dot, AM, PM, PM, but this is afternoon. And this would be night. This would be noon, and this would be midnight. The months of the year, this would be January, February, Marzo, March, Abril, April. Mayo, May. Junio, June. Julio, July. Agosto, August. Septiembre, September. Noviembre. Oh, I just realized October's not on there. November, December. And we have to put Octubre means October. That's weird. What is the date today? Tomorrow. Okay. This would be today or tomorrow. Is the blank of blank. Okay.